Hey guys, Nathan from Agile Offroad again. I've got our Arb Onboard Air twin cylinder compressor kit here. We offer these for 906 and 907 chassis models. We also have 144 and 170 wheelbase stainless line kits available. No matter what size van you have, even all the way up to motorhomes, we have a kit that will work for you. Our kits use a factory Mercedes switch, new style, old style. We want to wire these key hot so that you get nice, fresh, clean alternator voltage to the compressor. You can also run it with the engine off, but we know that these like to have 14 plus volts from the alternator. We do a breather kit. There's a lot of different styles of breather kits out there. This one gets you plumbed right into the dash, gets you nice clean air from the HVAC system, and keeps it from sucking in that 250-degree engine bay air. Cool air is efficient, cool air is dense, that's what we want to see. It also helps keep the filters on the compressor nice and clean, so you're not sucking in dirt and dust from the outside. We do an ARB factory quick connect coupler with a dust cap. AO bracket mounts in the undercarriage at the rear. This goes to the pinch weld, and we do another one up inside the engine bay as well. 2 locations, opposing sides of the vehicle. Makes it easy to use on the side of the road, you're out of traffic, or up in the engine bay on the passenger side. Easy to access the front tires, access any of your dirt bikes or anything like that that you may have. Thanks guys.